If you want to drive better reporting with your help desk, using help desk tags is the key. These simple labels can provide insights into customer issues, streamline your workflow, and enhance your ability to make data-driven decisions. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to use help desk tags to boost your reporting efficiency and why they're a must for any growing business. Let's jump straight into it. First off, when you're assigning tags to tickets, you're doing more than just organizing them. You're creating data that can later be analyzed. Tags act as quick identifiers for issues, departments, or specific requests, and they allow you to easily segment and filter tickets. For example, if you tag tickets related to a specific product or feature, you can quickly identify trends, like which products are most commonly reported or what issues are surfacing more often. This is invaluable for improving your customer service and identifying areas where you may need to make improvements. Now, let's talk about how to use tags to create actionable reports. The beauty of help desk tags is that they allow you to track key metrics over time. For example, if you tag tickets with keywords like technical support or billing issue, you can generate reports that show the volume of tickets related to those categories. You can track the time it takes to resolve them, the number of tickets per department, and even spot recurring issues that may need more attention. But what makes these tags really powerful is when you use them to track performance. If you consistently tag tickets based on urgency or the level of customer satisfaction, you can generate performance reports that show how well your team is handling different issues. You might notice patterns, such as certain team members excelling in specific areas or certain issues being resolved faster than others, helping you optimize resource allocation and improve customer experience. The next step is making sure your team is using tags consistently. This can be a challenge, but it's essential for accurate reporting. The more consistent your tagging process, the better your reports will be. It's a good idea to create a standardized tag list that your team can follow. This list should include categories like issue type, product or service involved, and priority level. With a solid structure in place, you'll be able to generate highly targeted reports that make decision-making a lot easier. And here's the key to all of this. You need to track the right tags. When you're analyzing your reports, don't just look at volume, look at the context. Are there certain tags that consistently pop up across tickets that are taking longer to resolve? Maybe it's an issue with your product, or maybe your support team needs additional training. With the right data, you can turn these insights into improvements. To make this process even easier, I've used all the most popular help desk software out there, and I've narrowed it down to one that I recommend. This software will help you create these powerful tags and reports seamlessly. You can follow along with the exact steps I showed you by signing up for an exclusive free trial available only to viewers of my channel. The link is in the description below. Key takeaway here, help desk tags aren't just labels. They're tools for better reporting and decision making. By tagging your tickets consistently and using those tags to track performance and trends, you'll have the data you need to improve your customer service and operational efficiency. Just remember, the more structured and consistent your tagging system, the better your reports will be. To recap, assign tags to categorize and filter tickets, use those tags to generate actionable reports, and track key metrics to make informed decisions. And don't forget to take advantage of the exclusive free trial in the description to follow along with our software. That's it for today's quick guide. Keep tagging, keep tracking, and keep improving your help desk reporting.